first thing we're gonna need is some glitter glue. You guys are also gonna need some Elmer's glue just in case you want to make the slime with the glitter sparkles in it. The second thing we're gonna need is some sparkling glitter. Next, you're gonna need some baking soda and a tablespoon measurement. Can't forget about that mixing bowl. The last thing you're going to need is some contact solution. What's the first thing we need to do? We are going to pour 1 bottle of Elmer's glue into the bowl. All right, guys, pour the glue, pour the glue. Come on, Ellie, pour your glue. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it when it seems like they poured half of both bottles in.
Nothing my stuff there.
All right, guys, so we're gonna be, no, not yet, Sylvia. I need you to pour the glue, okay? That's the first step. So we're gonna be pouring the glue into the bowl. Yeah.
Awesome.
You're doing it. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job, Sylvia. Pour the bottle. So, I will leave you guys the instructions below because this may not go well, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, guys, keep on pouring the glue.
We're gonna get it up and then when you know.
Ellie, can you pour it in the bowl, honey? Let's make sure it doesn't get on the table. Keep on pouring the glue, Ellie. Oh, good. Sylvia, in the bowl.
In the bowl?
Yeah, we gotta pour the glue in the bowl.
In the bowl. In the bowl.
Not on Sylvia, Ellie. No, Ellie. Pour it in the bowl, honey, not on Sylvia. This is gonna be a very messy experiment. All done. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some baking soda in there, okay? We're gonna put a tablespoon of baking soda.
No baking soda.
Okay. What is baking soda, guys?
Baking soda.
What is it, Sylvia? Do you know what it is?
It's a slime.
No.
Slime.
All right, guys. We're gonna put baking soda in there, and then we're gonna add some glitter sparkles. Guys, next you get to put the glitter in the glue. Put the glitter in the glue.
Okay.
Ellie, put the glitter in the glue, honey. Sylvia, pour it in. Pour it in, honey. You can just dump it in. Good job. Ellie, dump your glitter in.
Okay. Let's get it.
Good job. Whoa.
Okay.
Here, honey, pour some glitter. Shake it. Go like this. Shake, shake, shake. Pour it in, Ellie. Shake it in there. No more. Shake that in there.
Okay.
No, Ellie. No. Put it in the bowl.
Make it.
Huh?
Time to make it.
Shake, shake, shake. Good job.
We need to make it, Ellie. Too much, Ellie. We need to make it. We need to make it.
Not yet, Sylvia. So the next thing I need you to do is put the baking soda. You gotta put the baking soda in there. Sylvia, put some baking soda in there.
Okay.
So you need a tablespoon of baking soda.
Yeah, baking.
Put some baking soda in there. Only fill it up. Put it in there. Put a little more.
More. Ellie, don't do that. No.
All right, I think that's good, Sylvia. I think that's good.
No, it's not good.
It's not good? Okay, that's enough now. I need to put some contact solution. So these guys are opening up the contact solution. As you can see, Ellie put a little too much glitter. I'm not sure what happened there.
Hey, what happened? Pop it.
Open it. Good job. Wait, Sylvia. Wait, no, Sylvia, can you help Ellie open hers? Can you open Ellie's, please? She's gonna help you open it. Thank you, Sylvia. Thank you, Sylvia. It's so sweet. Good job. Give it to Ellie. Now, guys, when I say pour, and then remember, when I say stop, you stop, okay? Go.
Yeah.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze. They're gonna try to put a tablespoon in there.
Yeah.
I think that's a tablespoon. All right, guys, no more, Sylvia. Stop, 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 stop. Stop.
Why saying stop?
Stop it, Ellie. Stop. Stop. All right, guys, cut. Is it working?
Yes.
How does it feel to make slime, guys?
Yeah, what? Please.
Sylvia, let Ellie try. Let Ellie try.
Yeah, I
It doesn't look right. That does not look right at all.
tried.
Thank you, Sylvia. All right, Mom, you can get the bowl from them. They don't need the bowl anymore. It looks like a mess. It doesn't seem right.
Again, Mommy.
Good job, honey.
Nice.
It seems very hard. Is it hard, Mom? Not supposed to be hard. Is it hard?
Yes, hard.
It's not hard?
I go fine. It's so
Yeah, you can take the bowl.
Alright.
Guys, let me see your slime. Stretch it out. Let's see. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Ooh. Whoa.
Switch it. I did it.
How does it feel to be making some slime?
I'm not good when I make.
All right, guys. Guys, did you guys have fun making your slime?
Yeah.
So Sylvia, can I see your slime? Good job.
I want to make it. I want to make it.
Uh-huh.
Can I make it?
The slime, is it hard?
Yes, it's hard.
It is hard?
Yes, it's hard.
Can you stretch it out?
Yeah, I'm going to switch it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so hard. How are they supposed to be that hard? That looks so hard. This is a slime fail, okay? It's a slime fail. It's a slime fail, man.
Mama makes slime.
It was not this easy. You guys lied. Pinterest, YouTube, you guys lied. This does not look like soft slime.
Look at Daddy.
Whoa. Poor Arya is covered up in glitter.
Glitter.
So what do you guys think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
This was a DIY fail. This is what happens when you try to do slime with kids, man. Whoa! So are you guys gonna make some? Are you guys gonna make something cool with it? What are you making, Sylvia? You're making a boat. Ellie, what are you making? Huh?
My birthday. I'm making a boat.
You broke it?
This slime is so great.
It's so great.
Wow, nobody.
Oh my goodness, you have glitter on your fingers. Let me see your fingers. Whoa! Let me see your fingers, Sylvia. Whoa, you have glitter fingers. That looks so cool.
I'm gonna make ice cream and put it in the. Whoa, Uncle Wiggle! Whoa!
Look at her fingers. That seems like you guys had fun.
Look at mine, some little ice cream.
Are you making ice cream? Remember, this is play slime. We don't actually eat it. It's for pretend.
Why?
Because it's not real.
Why is swing? Well,
It's pretend. You know, it's pretend food.
pretend food.
It's fake.
Making ice
Next
cream.
time, you guys don't do it.
Ellie, are you okay, Ellie? Glitter doesn't come off. Ellie's like, get this glitter off of me. Oh my goodness. Ellie,
What?
are you trying to clean up?
Yeah, I see. Making ice cream.
Uh-oh. You guys are too funny. All right, Sylvia, let Ellie share. Go. Can you guys stretch out the slime? I think we put too much glitter. I don't know, guys. What did we do wrong? It looks like we did something wrong. It looks very hard.
Let's do this.
All right, guys. Can you stretch out your slime? Let's see how elastic it is.
I'm making the mermaid.
Stretch it.
Oh!
Stretch it.
Stretch it.
I'm making a ball.
Stretch it.
I'm making a ball.
Stretch it.
I'm making a A big ice cream.
Trying before.
Let's strip it. Had it.
Alright guys, let's show everybody what this slime looks like. Ellie, let's show them your slime, honey. Ooh, show them your slimy, cool, sparkly fingers.
And the bigger.
Sylvia, can you show them your slime? Whoa, how cool. Meanwhile, Ellie's still trying to get the glitter off.
Here's ice cream. What? This is an ice cream, Ellie. This is an ice cream. Ellie, why you dropped it?
Where's my book?
Do you guys want to do this again?
Yeah.
Where's the book?
Yeah, I did it. Oh, where's yours?
Are you ready to clean up?
Yeah.
Show us your slime. Very cool. You guys did a good job. Whoa. So, as you guys can see, Ellie's slime, which is silver, is more elastic than Sylvia's because we put too much contact solution. So be very careful when you're adding the contact solution and just put a couple drops at a time so it doesn't become too tense and tough like Sylvia's. But they did a good job. You guys having fun with your slime?
Yeah.
What color is that, Sylvia?
One. Green.
What color is that, Ellie? Silver.
White.
That's silver.
Silver.
Good job. Oh.
Really roll. Yellow that one. Go. Really roll. Come on, yellow roll.
Ellie, can you do that again?
A roll.
Whoa. Yes.
Mommy.
Ooh, show me your stretch, Ellie.
Stretch.
Whoa. Very cool.
Whoa.
What are you guys doing?
I'm making a snake.
You're making a snake. You're making a snake.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Sophia, what color is that?
Yay! Yeah.
What? Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one whole 4-ounce bottle of glitter glue. Just going to pour the whole thing in this bowl. Ooh. This thing is not coming out as easy as I thought it would. Using a glue that already has glitter in it is so much easier. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is sprinkle on 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. After that's done, I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution, and I'm going to be just mixing it up until the slime begins to form. Okay guys. Alright guys, this is what the slime is supposed to look like. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, it's so slimy. It's so slimy. I'm kind of trying to mix it all together. Alright guys, so this is what the slime looks like. You can see how squishy it is. And it stretches amazingly. Just so I can show the stretch. Alright guys, this is what it looks like all stretched out. More this way in the middle. Let's see if we add a little bit of sprinkles on here. Should we add blue sprinkles? Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of sprinkles. And let's mix that in. You can barely notice it. Now you can really see it. So guys, that's pretty much what you do. So you're just going to be mixing the glue, the baking soda, the contact lens solution, and that's pretty much it. And if you don't have glitter slime, you could always use regular, if you don't have glitter Elmer's glue, you can always use regular glue and just use food coloring to make the color change. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching!